Hey everyone, the Xiaomi Mijia 636L side-by-side refrigerator represents a thoughtful evolution of the company's large-capacity home appliance lineup, building directly on the earlier 610L model while maintaining the same aggressive pricing strategy. With an official price of $272 and a launch promotion dropping it to $258, Xiaomi is clearly positioning this refrigerator as a high-value option for large households that need serious storage space without stepping into premium price territory. Sales beginning on January 15th further underline Xiaomi's push to strengthen its presence in the smart home appliance market in China. The space is divided into a 394-liter refrigerator compartment and a generous 242-liter freezer, making it suitable not only for fresh produce and daily items, but also for bulk frozen foods, meats, and prepared meals. This increase over the previous 610-liter model may seem modest on paper, but in daily use it translates into noticeably better flexibility for organizing large shopping trips. Inside, Xiaomi has focused heavily on usability and storage efficiency. The refrigerator features 18 separate storage zones, supported by adjustable glass shelves that allow users to customize the layout based on their needs. A particularly practical design touch is the 90-degree door opening, which allows full access to drawers and shelves even when the refrigerator is placed close to a wall, an important consideration for apartments and tighter kitchen layouts. Hygiene and odor control are central to the Mijia 636L's design. Xiaomi has equipped the refrigerator with full-area silver-ion antibacterial and deodorization technology that works across both the refrigerator and freezer compartments. According to the company, this system achieves a 99% antibacterial rate against common bacteria such as E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. Cooling performance is handled by a 360-degree surround air circulation system combined with frost-free air cooling. This setup is designed to maintain even temperatures throughout the refrigerator, reducing hot spots and helping food stay fresh for longer. Xiaomi also highlights the unit's quick freezing capability, claiming it can freeze up to 10 kilograms of food within 12 hours. This is particularly beneficial for preserving the texture and nutritional value of meats and seafood, which can degrade when frozen slowly. The refrigerator's dual inverter system controls both the compressor and the fan, allowing for more precise and efficient cooling. 4 built-in temperature sensors continuously monitor internal conditions and adjust performance to minimize temperature fluctuations. The result is a more stable internal environment, which not only improves food preservation, but also contributes to lower energy consumption and quieter operation. In terms of efficiency, the Mijia 636L earns a Grade 1 energy efficiency certification and consumes just 0.95 kilowatt-hour per day. Xiaomi also backs the compressor with a 10-year warranty, which adds reassurance for long-term ownership. Smart features are integrated through the My Home app, bringing the refrigerator in line with Xiaomi's broader ecosystem. These features make day-to-day management more convenient and ensure the refrigerator can adapt to changing usage patterns over time. Overall, the Xiaomi Mijia 636L refrigerator stands out as a well-balanced upgrade that combines increased capacity, improved hygiene technology, efficient cooling, and smart connectivity, all while keeping the price firmly in the affordable range. For large families or users who prioritize storage space and value, it offers an impressive blend of practicality, performance, and smart home integration that is difficult to match at this price point. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this refrigerator? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.